Alright, you're going to unlock the car.
Hold your truth and high honor, sir.
Okie dokie.
In the process of putting the dollars on.
She came out.
She came out. Yeah.
What's it? It's just like a repossessed car, like it wasn't paid for or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Okay, let's get out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the car.
Deputies responded after a tow truck operator requested assistance during a vehicle repossession. According to authorities, the vehicle had been flagged for repossession, but when the tow operator attempted to recover it, a woman entered the driver's seat and refused to leave. Officers arrived and repeatedly instructed her to exit the vehicle. Despite multiple warnings, the woman insisted the repossession was unlawful and refused to comply with commands.
Why not?
Because I'm in the car and it's on, and it's illegal to tow a car that's on.
That's
with
not.
a person in it.
That's not
Yes, it is.
true. Not
Yes, it is.
Okay, so listen. So.
No.
Oh.
Yes.
So there's the only option
I
we're
haven't done anything illegal, and this car is under registration, and there's nothing wrong with this car.
Okay, so listen. The only way we're gonna be able to deal with this is you're gonna have to come out of the car. Okay.
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
So you're just gonna sit in the car all day.
I'm in the car. It's on. He's towing an illegal car. He's doing an illegal tow.
He's not.
Yes, he is.
He's not.
He hasn't shown any documents, and I don't own. This car is not owned to anybody but a Paul Wilson.
Who's Paul Wilson?
Paul Wilson is the person who is registered to this car.
Okay, so then get out of the car.
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
Let me see your ID.
No.
You're not gonna show me that either. Okie dokie. Well, get a nice blue team here. Just want to see the VIN real quick. That's a CK. Alright, I see. That's the same car. Just so, because I'm about to have to rip out of the car here. Just making sure. So, this car has not been paid for.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cargo.
Okay. And you were just driving and it pops up, or?
So yeah. So the cameras. He found it at Walmart.
It pops. Yeah. It goes up with the.
He sat with it at Walmart, and he got the order. And when I was almost there, she drove here. And he locked to get out, and I came in.
Okay. Yeah. I'm just getting all my ducks in a row before I, Okay. I'm gonna get her out. I'm just waiting for another person. We'll take her out. All right. I'll try to do this without damaging the vehicle, but what is what it is. Yep. I'm giving you another command to get out of the vehicle. If you do not get out of the vehicle, I will be extracting you from the vehicle.
It's illegal.
It's not. I'm giving.
I haven't broken any
I'm letting
laws.
you know. I'm giving you 4 commands now.
I have not broken any laws. I'm parked in my car.
Ma'am?
By this point, deputies had already explained the situation several times and attempted to gain voluntary compliance. However, the woman continued arguing that the repossession was illegal and refused to exit the vehicle.
Running?
Ma'am?
It's running? No. This is an illegal tow.
I'm just giving you the warning, right?
It's illegal tow.
It is not.
Yes, it is.
I verified everything.
No,
I need you out of the car.
This is an illegal tow.
You are subject to arrest if you do not get out of the car.
Sir, this is an illegal tow.
Okay. I've given you way too many warnings.
No, sir.
I have.
This is an illegal tow.
Okay.
And you will be responsible for your actions.
Okay.
You do an illegal tow. He hasn't shown any documents, and there are no payments owed on this vehicle, sir.
I'm letting you know.
Sir, you're doing an illegal tow.
Okay.
You're doing an illegal tow.
This can be all resolved if you just get out of the car.
I haven't broken any laws here.
Okay.
I've broken no laws.
All
You
right.
as an official should know this.
Okie dokie.
Where's your badge?
I'm literally wearing it.
Where is it? I don't see it.
Right here.
That's not a metal badge.
Right here.
Okay. So you're an official.
I sure am.
Okay,
And I'm asking you out of the car.
Truth and high honor, no?
Okay.
Truth and
I'm
high
not going to
honor.
argue.
Truth and high honor, no? Has he showed you any documentation? He hasn't showed you any documentation, sir. Truth and high honor, sir.
You're going to have to get out of the car.
Truth and high honor. Hold your truth and high honor, sir. Hold your truth and high honor.
Are you going to lock the car?
Sir, hold your truth and high honor. sir.
All right, you're going to unlock the car.
Hold your truth and high honor, sir.
Okie dokie. Car's locked. Carino's on the way. I'm gonna go passenger side, baton, to break the window to get her out. She's not unlocked in the car. She's literally...
After numerous warnings, officers advised the woman that she could be arrested if she continued refusing lawful commands. Deputies then began discussing alternative methods to remove her from the locked vehicle.
Super uncooperative. So from when I do that, I'll be able to unlock it. If you wanted to stay on the driver's side, just so you can grab the handle real quick, or however you want to do it. But I think...
Sergeant Gilbert?
Yeah, he said she's got to get out of the car. So he doesn't have a key. I mean, just double check. Hey, you don't have any... Okay. I've given her like 10 commands, dude, so...
And we need to come out of the car.
No, I'm not coming out of the car.
Out of the car.
Sir, I have not broken any law.
Okay.
I have not broken... Stop!
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my Lord. I've done
Stay
nothing.
right here.
I've done nothing wrong here,
Keep
sir.
your hands behind your back.
I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong, sir. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, stop resisting,
I'm not resisting.
Stop pulling away.
I am not pulling away.
You're pulling away. Stop.
No, I'm not, sir. Sir, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, sir? Divine.
And do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Any knives, guns, or anything like that? Come with me.
3 up to 2. Reclass of signal 19 on 5A white.
2 Alpha 29 safety. 1050 MBT, 8000 B-line, right through.
3 Alpha 29, signal 51.
Oh, stay like that for me. Nothing else anywhere, right? Alright, spread your feet for me real quick. Alright, have a seat.
Thank you.
According to investigators, the woman repeatedly refused commands to leave the vehicle during the repossession process. After deputies removed her from the car, she was arrested and later charged with trespassing and obstructing a law enforcement officer. The incident ended without serious injuries being reported.